Welcome back. I know this is becoming interesting. Uh, we have we are still in the control panel. You can see the CP here. Go to control panel, but we want to now install WordPress on our server, on our domain, our subdomain. So back in the days, how was it? There was a way we install WordPress. Okay. Uh, Let me not digress. Let's focus on what we're seeing here. Well, like I said, website made easy. Uh, this Cpanel had Subtaculous app installer, which we saw on the previous uh, page. It gave us the opportunity to just install WordPress on one click. Now, I want to shed more light on this. Once all these files you're seeing here, WP admin, WP content, WP include, index. Remember I told you about the index file. I told you there's an invisible index file here. So we'll just go back up one level. All these files like you're seeing here are going to, this is how you install them. So once you click install now, it's going to bring out options for you. Now listen carefully because you need to understand this. There are different versions of WordPress. You have the 4.9, you have the 5.0, you have the 5.4.1. Now the reason why this is on default is because WordPress updates mostly every month, most times every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So most plugins, okay, we'll get down to plugins, but just hold that thought, keep it in mind. Most plugins get outdated with the recent updates of WordPress. I don't know if I'm making sense. Let me just explain it quickly. If I'm running a plugin on 5.2.6 version of WordPress, a plugin that was designed for this version, and suddenly I've updated my WordPress to 5.4.1, automatically the plugin for this 5.2.6 becomes outdated and most times will not work on your website. So this is the, okay, choose the suggestion URL. This is the HTTPS. HTTPS, it's the S there is for secured sites. So since our website is secured here, Skyward Group secure, so we'll leave it as this. But if this wasn't secured, like what you would experience when you buy, you will see this as a default. So you'll see the HTTP without the S as the default. So for now, we use the default HTTPS security. So you can see skywardgroups.com. Now we can't install the WordPress on this domain name because the domain actually exists. The domain actually, the website itself actually exists. You can see the website opening. So what we do is there's a drop down here. So once you click this drop down, our MJ is taken shows up. So click on the MJ is taken because this is actually what we want to install our WordPress files on. The files that are going to be here, the files that are going to be here is where we're going to install it. So this WP now, I'm going to discuss this later. Most times people use it in place of subdomains. I will also go through this process with you guys, but for now we want it empty. There are a lot of things I said I'm going to go through. I hope I don't forget most of them. So now the site name now, good. So this is where we have the privilege to type MJ is taken.